Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. How to make money by creating and selling wooden furniture. Identify your niche, focus on specific types of furniture, e.g., tables, chairs, shelves, or styles, e.g., rustic, modern, minimalist. Consider custom pieces or functional art to stand out. Gather tools and materials, invest in quality woodworking tools, saws, drills, sanders. Source sustainable wood or reclaimed materials for a unique touch. Create high-quality designs, sketch designs, or use software to visualize furniture. Prioritize functionality and aesthetics in your pieces. Build your portfolio. Start by creating a few pieces to showcase your craftsmanship. Photograph your work professionally to use in marketing. Set up an online presence. Create a website or use platforms like Etsy to sell your furniture. Utilize social media, Instagram, Pinterest, to showcase your work and connect with potential customers. Market your products. Attend local craft fairs, farmers markets, or furniture expos to display your work. Collaborate with interior designers or home decor stores for exposure. Offer customization. Provide options for custom sizes, finishes, or designs to attract more customers. Promote personalized service to enhance customer satisfaction. Price your work competitively. Research market prices for similar items. Factor in costs of materials, labor, and overhead when setting prices. Provide excellent customer service. Communicate effectively with customers about their orders and timelines. Handle inquiries and complaints promptly to build a good reputation. Expand your offerings. Once established, consider diversifying into related products, e.g., home decor, accessories. Explore teaching woodworking classes or workshops for additional income. How to design. Define your purpose. Determine the goal of your design. Is it for a product, a piece of furniture, a website, or something else? Understand your target audience and what they need. Conduct research. look at existing designs in your niche to gather inspiration, analyze trends, materials, and techniques that are currently popular, brainstorm ideas, sketch out various concepts and ideas. Don't hold back, let your creativity flow, consider different styles, shapes, and functionalities, create a mood board, compile images, colors, textures, and materials that resonate with your vision. Use this board as a visual reference throughout your design process. Draft initial designs. Use drawing tools or design software, like Adobe Illustrator, Sketch, or AutoCAD, to create more refined versions of your ideas. Focus on proportions, dimensions, and overall aesthetics. Seek feedback, share your designs with peers or potential users to gather constructive criticism. Be open to suggestions and willing to make adjustments. Refine your design, incorporate the feedback you received and refine your design. Pay attention to details, materials, and usability. 8. Prototype your design. Create a prototype to test the functionality and appearance of your design. This can be a physical model or a digital mock-up. Test and iterate. Conduct usability tests with your prototype. Gather feedback on what works and what doesn't. Make necessary adjustments based on user experiences. Finalize your design. Once satisfied with the prototypes and iterations, finalize your design. Prepare any necessary documentation for production or implementation. Use wood in your home, furniture, sofas and chairs. Choose wooden frames for durability and style. Tables. Use wooden dining tables, coffee tables, and side tables for a warm, inviting look. Storage. Wooden cabinets and shelves can add storage while enhancing decor. Decorative accents. Wall art. Hang wooden sculptures or framed wooden art pieces for a rustic touch. Picture frames. Use wooden frames for photos to create a cohesive look. Decorative bowls. Place wooden bowls on tables for a natural centerpiece. Kitchenware. Cutting boards. Use wooden cutting boards for food preparation, which are gentle on knife blades. Utensils. Incorporate wooden spoons, spatulas, and ladles for cooking. Serving platters. Serve food on wooden boards for a rustic dining experience. Flooring. Hardwood floors. Install hardwood flooring for a timeless and elegant look. Rugs. Pair wooden floors with area rugs to add warmth and comfort. Accessories. Shelves. Install wooden shelves for books or decorative items. Plant stands. Use wooden stands to display indoor plants. Coasters. Protect your surfaces with wooden coasters that add a natural element. Outdoor spaces. Patio furniture. Choose wooden benches, tables, and chairs for outdoor dining. Garden decor. Incorporate wooden planters or sculptures in your garden. Home improvement. Trim and molding. Use wooden trim for windows and doors to enhance architectural details. Cabinetry. Install wooden cabinets in kitchens and bathrooms for a cohesive look.